Happy Monday here from One Hot Bite, Melissa, and we are going to make world famous traditional New Orleans style beignets today. So this is something that my mom loved through my entire childhood. Every time we went to Disneyland, we had to go to the French Quarter and we had to get beignets, and when I was younger I was like, oh, these are okay, whatever, and then as I grew up I really appreciated them, and then I didn't have them forever, and my next experience with them was I was in New Orleans with my daughter, and they were so good. We hunted them down at Cafe Du Monde and enjoyed them and couldn't believe the lines. And so when I got home, I'm like, okay, I need to figure out how to make these so I can have them anytime I want. So here is the recipe for that. So we are gonna go ahead and we're gonna make our batch of dough for these. Now the tricky thing with these, the difference with the dough is we use condensed milk in this instead of traditional milk, regular milk. And the other thing with these is we let the dough rest overnight in the refrigerator. So it can be 12 hours to 24 hours. So it doesn't have to be overnight. Just anyhow, you're gonna wait a little bit of time. So we're gonna get our dough together really quick. And of course that's gonna come together super fast, and we're gonna get it in the fridge. So let's get that going. Okay, we have our dough all made. It's in the fridge. That came together super fast. So we're gonna go ahead and sit on that for about 12 hours and we'll be back to fry these up. You guys know me, I kind of try and stay healthy. These are not healthy, but they're awesome. So we're still gonna fry them up. We're still gonna make them nice. So on this hot summer day, I'm actually gonna turn on the fryer. Might sweat a little, it's gonna get crazy, but we're gonna go ahead and get these going. So while we're waiting our 12 hours, why don't you guys subscribe down below, give me some likes, give me some comments. I love chatting with everybody. Everybody welcome here. And let's tick-tock, wait our 12 hours. I'll see you guys in just a minute. All right, 12 hours later, we are gonna go ahead and roll this dough out. It's so soft and beautiful. We're gonna cut it into our squares. We've got our grease heating up, and I just use canola oil on that. So go ahead and heat that up. Make sure you have nice, long tongs and everything so you don't burn yourself. And then we will see these. So let's go ahead and roll out our dough. there you have it. We did it again. Another hot bite from One Hot Bite. These beignets will make anyone happy. So go ahead, give these a try. If you try them out, let me know down below. I love that, you know, if you try any of my recipes and whatever. So just let me know and enjoy them. Enjoy your week. Happy Monday. And I will see you guys Thursday. And just wait, it's going to be a fun one. So anyhow, I'll see you guys on Thursday.